So guys, if you remember in my last vlog when I showed you my package, ignore my hair by the way, when I showed you guys my package that I got and I said how fast the shipment was, like my courier company just called me to say that they are almost here to drop off another package. I made this order last week. Today's Friday. No, today's Thursday, and I made this order last week on the 21st, which was like Monday, Tuesday, I think. And yeah, they're gonna drop it off right now. And I figured this package was gonna, when I ordered it, I wasn't sure if it was gonna reach on time, but when I saw that it was delivered on the 23rd, which is last week Friday, I was like, okay, I think it's gonna be delivered on time, because if it's delivered on Friday, then it must be here by this week, right? And I'm happy that it's here in time. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I got. Should I show you guys what I got? Because this vlog goes out on, I'll show you guys some of what I got, and then the other stuff that I got I will show you guys at a later date. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys some of what I got. Keep in mind, by the way, like I haven't actually shopped this much in a while. Like I don't shop often online anymore, because I just shop when I travel, so I don't really have a need to like go online and buy stuff, other than like maybe things on Amazon, like little things. But like clothes and stuff, I don't really shop that much. So remember the white slippers that I got in the last vlog? I decided to go for the black since the white one fit very well. Let me try it on. It's okay. I got this one in a 6.5. The white one I think I got in a 38, but this one I decided to get in a 37, which is a 6.5. Mostly because I think this one, the other one was like, I could have sized down like half size. Like it's not huge, but like I could. And this one actually feels it still feels like kind of roomy. Like I could have gone for a size 6, but that's okay. Like I don't need to, you know. Okay, the next thing I got was this waist thing for like pants or skirts. You guys would have seen in my Amazon haul in the last vlog that I got these buttons that are basically for jeans mostly, or anything that has buttons on it for the waist, for tightening purposes. Like if you have a jeans that's too big. I'm trying to open this, but it's almost melted, like I can't even open it. But this is like, you can use this for like skirts and stuff. I'll see if I can find a picture to insert to like kind of like snatch the waist of it. I also, no, so where were my stuff? It seems like some of the things were exposed to somewhere very hot, because they look melted. Some of my stuff look very melted, guys. Like they were, because I got these nails and they're like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like bent, like because it's melted. These are like white toenails that I got. See, like it's, you can tell that it's like it was somewhere hot and it started to melt. Like it's even crispy. Oh my gosh. And some of it like shrunk. Look how tiny these are. Yeah, this is a no-go. This is done for. I can't use this, which sucks. That's so strange. This has never happened before. That has never happened before. I also got these other nails. Let's see if they're okay. Oh, I think God knew I needed these more than the toenails, because the package started to curl, which means it was exposed to the same heat source, but the nails are fine. So these are like some gold tip nails that I got for my birthday. I wanted to wear these. As you can see, my natural nails look terrible. Like they're always breaking, so my nails are never even. So I prefer to wear press-ons instead of like getting gel, because my nails don't stay. If my nails didn't break, I would just get gel and call it a day, but some of us don't have that, you know. And before you comment and say, oh, gel polish actually keeps your nails from breaking because it's so thick and whatever, been there, done that. Don't even. Okay, next thing I got were these. Oh my god, are these kind of damaged too? They look like they almost got damaged. I don't know if you can tell, like right here. I don't know if it got squashed or if it's just the heat, the same heat. But these are just like some plastic sandals that I got, and I like the fact that they're thick. So it's almost like a platform. Let's try them on. I got these in a 37, a 36 to 37. So that's like a, I think that's 6 to 6.5. And they fit perfectly. It's so comfy. It's very comfy. Next thing on the agenda. What is this? I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, guys. I actually don't remember everything that I ordered. Ooh, so I got this very, like, okay, let me tell you something. You see this order that I'm unboxing right now? It was a very spontaneous order. Like, I was just on my phone in the night and I saw that there was a sale going on, and a lot of these things, well, none of these things are over $10. So I literally put all of these things in my cart, and I think all of these things came up to like maybe $30 something. Girl never spend no money. Okay, I'm never spend no money, okay? But I've always wanted one of these, right? I use this case is what I use the most. I wanted a designer one of these, you know, like something high quality. But I saw that they had these, and this is like, I think like $2 or something. And I saw people post pictures of it, and I said, you know what, let me buy this and just have this for the time being until I get something more high quality. So this is kind of flimsy, you can feel it. New card case. But I've been using card cases mostly. I have hardly been using my purse, so decided to get one, a proper one. Anyways, next thing on the agenda, I was outside in the sun just now, so it's very hot out there. I've been wanting these glasses for a long time, and I decided to get it. And it fit me, and it actually fit my hair too. Ooh, it fit me with this hairstyle. I like it. Oh, by the way, guys, we're going to the food awards later. I have no idea what I'm wearing, and it's like almost midday and I still don't know what I'm wearing. I don't know what I'm doing to my hair, none of that. So yeah, stay tuned. I got this, which is really supposed to be for your arm, like one of those arm cuffs. But to be honest, did I get it to wear in my arm? Not 100%. I got it to wear it in my hair. So like if I should do like a half up, half down, I'll have this for like the half up part. You know? That's why I got that. And I've been wanting it for like years. And then I got this belt. This is actually a belt. It's a belt, and I thought it was really cool because I'm always putting like chains around my jeans, so I thought getting this would make more sense because it's an actual belt. It's meant for that. I don't know if you guys have seen like my outfits where I do that. So I got the real belt for, you know, yeah. Then this is a bag. This bag was like, I don't even know, $2. A lot of these things that I said were on sale, so I just put a bunch of random things in my cart. Bunch of random stuff, and this bag was one of those things. It can hold maybe this card case. Can it even hold this? No, it can't. It can't even hold the card case, y'all. So basically, I'm gonna just have to put, let me see if it can hold my card. It can hold my card. It can hold my card, people. It can hold my card. It can probably hold my Fenty my Fenty gloss, and that's about it, and some money. So can wear it as a crossbody, really cute. But yeah, that's the haul, guys. Did you like it? I have a love-hate relationship with this edge control thing. Swear to God. Anyways. Okay, my cab's here, but I'm just trying to show you guys my outfit. I've had this top since Toronto, my last Toronto trip. Got this in Oakenforth, and I'm obsessed with this top, and I didn't want to wear it. I wanted to save it for like a special occasion, but I guess I'm wearing it today. But I'm wearing this skirt that I thrifted in Toronto as well. I think I thrifted it in Valley Village. The belt that I just got and the bag that I just got, and these earrings that I got just not too long ago. And that's the fit and the makeup. I need to put some lip gloss on, as in like colored lip gloss, because what I have on is just like the clear gloss that I put on when I was doing my makeup. But yeah, this is the fit, y'all, and I'm wearing my black sandal that I just got as well. Should I wear the black sandal or the white ones? I think I should wear the white ones. No, I think I should wear the black ones. Yeah, that's fit.
So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all over my life, and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, we say blessings fall by my right hand. What's a toast for the friends that take off with the load one time? Let's sit down in a class and we report that only set the road and we go on with the road. There's for me, say me try a thing, and you know it found out to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic tire thing, yeah. See me all dig you soon, get the higher ring like hello brother. You say I just shot you, saw your poster, spend that in a photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If me the butter pass through your shop, we can't fall in a life, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, we say blessings fall by my right hand. But I go to the friends that take off with the load one time. Let's sit down in a class and we report that only set the road and we go on with it, go on with it. That's how I blessings upon me, and send me tell them a story. That's how I blessings upon me, and that's how I made to give him the glory. I'm in the lies, and I know that my passion even nice. Got the music me excited, coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life, and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, me say blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast for the friends that take off every load one time. Let's sit down in a class and we report that only set the road and we go on with the road. Toast, yeah, yeah. Toast. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to. Thankful. Blessings all for my life, and my thank
Hey y'all, oh my god, I'm so hot. It is so hot, y'all. Like, it's so annoying. Ollie. Anyways, I'm about to head to the Chinese wholesale. Today's Saturday, by the way, just so you know. And I'm about to head to the Chinese wholesale to get some stuff. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. It's so hot here in Jamaica. Jesus, it's so hot. Hi, Ollie. It is so hot here. But anyways, yeah, went to the food awards yesterday. Would have shown you guys that. I didn't really get a lot of footage in terms of like vlog, but I did kind of put some footage in there so you guys could see like that I took like story dimensions that I took. I would have inserted those so you guys could have seen it. If you want to see how, well, if you aren't following on me on Instagram, you wouldn't have seen the coverage that I did for Red Stripe. But if you want to see the video, the recap reel that I did for them, you can check it out on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram right here. Yeah, so that's that. Also, I need birthday hair suggestions. Can you guys give me some suggestions of things I should do for my birthday? Please, I'm begging you. Come through in the comments below, okay? Like, please. I don't know what to do for my birthday. My birthday is on July 8th, guys. It's on the 8th. So please tell me what I should do for my hair. I need suggestions. Okay? Okay. Oh, outside's so pretty. It It is Sunday and I should be editing this vlog right now, giving you guys this vlog right now, but instead I'm just here. Oh.
Hello, hello.
Tell them hello, wave and say hello. Ali, come tell the vlog hello. Y'all see what he's doing out here? This is why I have to wipe him down when he comes inside, because there is no way him coming on my bed with him dirty, so watch it. Don't go out by the road. Anyways, y'all, I know yesterday I was going to the Chinese store and I told you guys that I was gonna show you what I got in the next vlog, but actually the truth is I did not get what I went for, so don't look forward to that. There's a lot of exciting content coming up in the next couple pieces, well, the next couple vlogs I should say, so look forward to that. I know you guys are gonna enjoy it a lot, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to the vlog. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.